up, guys? Back with a different video. Last video you should have seen, I had the Recaro seats. I still had the Evo steering wheel. Still had the Evo hood, but today we're sitting a little bit different.
I'm different, yeah, I'm different.
So one of my buddies down in Indiana is parting out a Ralliart, has a whole bunch of parts. They went pretty quick. I managed to grab what I needed. So, like I said, picked up parts from my buddy, and he gave me the Ralliart speedometer, or also known as the gauge cluster. Hopefully everything is the same. If not, well, he hooked it up anyway, so we'll see what we have to do. And for all my Lancer owners, you should already know what this looks like. If I turn on the lights, it should turn everything on. I don't feel like putting in the key because the key's busted. Also something that I need to upgrade here. You know, have no shame in your build, because when it's done, they'll be surprised. So from what it looks like, we need to take this off. We need to take this off. We need to take the, I believe that the glove box out, and then this will just slide out somehow. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so for this first piece right here, you're gonna want to pry down there, pry it a little bit, and then you're gonna pull, because literally this is how the holders, whatever they're called, go. All right, we're gonna move away to the other side and remove this little thing here, push it to the right, and as you know, if you've done your cabin air filter, which is down there, you just know that it's literally that easy. And I think I did change, yeah, I bought my cabin air filter in the beginning because it was really dirty, and the person before me did not even you know, do that. So yeah. All right, next step, screwdriver right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and right now that we removed, let me show you the piece. Now that we've removed this piece here, slide it out. Go ahead and take out that screwdriver, which holds down this, which I've painted before in the other Lancer. I'll try to find the picture of it to show you how it looks. But screwdriver, pull it out. And just like that, it's out. Those are the clips that are in there. So basically I just pulled from down here, and then I grabbed a little bit of that side for pressure evenly distributed, and then just pulled it. All right, so now we're moving on to our head unit here. Basically just pull here and pull here. If it's the first time that you're ever pulling this, obviously some people are second owners or third owners, so they don't know. It's going to be a little more pressure to pull it, and then put a flat head back there, and it's going to be able to pull out. So I'm going to put a flat head over here, and it's going to come out completely. All right, once we come back to this side, we're going to open up our little fuse box cover, I guess, fuses cover, and pull here. And that'll get you that side, and then with that side, hit it with a flat head. This is gonna fall out. So, oh, there you go. We can do it by hand. And then, since we got this much leeway, we're gonna pry on this and pull that back. Getting ahead of myself, there was a screwdriver there. Good thing I didn't pry on it. I saw that. So screwdriver, and then pull it out. All right, since we have now nothing holding the cover up, obviously right here and right here, we're gonna hold it from right here and down there and pull it, and this hole right here thing should come out. And as always, your boy forgets the screw. Unscrew that, and that's the only thing that's holding this whole thing down. Jesus. And now we have access to, sorry, I'm sweating up a storm here, the gauge cluster. So clearly 1, 2 screws, and there should be, maybe that's it holding it down, but you know, let's take this out before and after. I am forgetting all the freaking screws today, man. Alright, that's one more up there. Let's get that one out. And now we have our new one in, baby. Alright. It's alive! Yes, baby! Finally! Oh man, I don't have the button. Oh, here it is. I just wanted it for that. Let's check it out. Now, I get to know my gas mileage, man. Hell yes, dude. Alright, so my son just woke up. So I'm gonna go upstairs, setting up a storm. Gonna go take care of him, but thank you for watching. Obviously putting it back together. It's just the reverse, but I believe in you guys. Hell yeah, Ralliart cluster. What? Crazy, this thing is coming together so good. So happy, but thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, share. I'm not crying, I swear to God, I'm not crying. It's sweat, I promise. Peace out, guys.